Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about match statement. Okay. In previous videos, we learned about if statement, else if statement, as well as nested if conditions. Okay. Likewise, in this video, we will discuss about match statement. Okay. Why we are using match statement? The match statement we are using instead of nested if statements. Okay, suppose we have multiple elif statements are there means instead of that cases we will use match statement. Okay, we will use match statement. In match statement, which topics we have? Okay, one is normal. What is match statement? What is the syntax? Okay, we will see this as well as what is default value and what is combined values and what are if statement working as guards. Okay, we will see this. Okay, friends. Now see what is match statement. Okay, the match statement means okay here the match statement means the match statement is used to perform different actions based on the different conditions. Okay, actions based on the different conditions. That means suppose we have suppose weekdays are there. Okay, not weekdays means suppose Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, this type of weekdays are there. Okay, the weekdays we are indicating with numbers. So suppose one is there. Okay, first day is Monday, second day is Tuesday, third day is Wednesday. Likewise, we are indicating weekdays with the numbers. Okay, this type of situations we are using match statements. Okay, this is for weeks, months, years. Okay, suppose any student data is there. Suppose in an institute or factory, workers are there. In this type of multiple, okay, there is the multiple situations we are using match statement. Okay, now see, match means what? The match statement is used to perform different actions based on the different conditions. Next, the Python match statements. This is the syntax. Okay, this is the syntax. See, what is the syntax is there? The mini if else statement. You can use the match statement. Suppose we have if else, if already elif statement is there, right? Okay, for instead of elif statements, here we are using match statements. Okay, let's have a look to the syntax. The syntax is match expression. Okay, in match expression is condition and with the semicolon. In Python, default indentation here in Python indentation is indicates the block of statements. Okay, suppose in C language or Java language. Okay, the block of statements are indicating with the curly braces. Okay, but in Python the block of statements are indicating with the indentation. Okay, indentation means four spaces from the starting point. Okay, now see the match expression. This is the syntax, and first one case x and case y and case z. Here the inside of conditions. Okay, the inside the match statement, the block of statements we are indicating with cases. Okay, indicating with cases. Those cases are okay, those cases we are indicating with the variable values. Okay, those cases we will indicating with the variable values. Okay, let's have a look to the practical example. Here see, for match statement means first here I am taking weekdays. Okay, suppose weekdays. That day number I am okay. Here day is a variable. Okay, here day is a variable. Suppose I want to indicate number one. First day is the Monday. Okay, first day is the Monday. Suppose I want to indicate like this. This is the variable. Okay, this is the variable and this is the variable value. Okay, this is the variable name and this is the variable value. Next, take the match condition. Match. Here, what is the variable name? Okay. Here you in here expression means variable name. Okay. Variable name. We end with the colon. End with the colon when we end the enter will default indentation. Okay. Now see match day. Now you see take cases. Okay. Inside the match statement. Okay, The block of statements here we are indicating with cases. That means suppose here I am taking a case. Here instead of case numbers we have case. Here we will this case we will indicating with the variable names. Okay, variable names. Whatever variable names are there, those variable names we are using here. Now here I am using case one. Okay, case one, and this is also close with the colon. Okay, next take print Monday. Okay, print Monday. Suppose see print Monday. This is the block of code. This is the syntax. Okay, this is the syntax. This is the match expression. This is the block of code. Likewise, you will use multiple block of statements. Okay, multiple block of codes. Okay, we will see here. First, I will execute this. Okay, here Monday. Here I clearly mentioned. Suppose the day is one is there, the output will be Monday. Likewise, we will indicate okay multiple days. Suppose this is the case one. Likewise, I will take case two. Okay, case two. Next, case three, case three, and case four. Okay, case three. Suppose one, two, case three, as well as case four. Okay, here first day is Monday, second day is Tuesday, on third day is Wednesday, and fourth day is Thursday. Okay, the remaining 3 days. Okay, the remaining 3 days. Okay, suppose fifth day. Okay, fifth day is Friday, and sixth day is a Saturday, and finally it's a Sunday. Okay, Sunday fifth day, and this is the sixth day, and this is the seventh day. Okay, see, this is the code. Okay, this is the match statement code, friends. Okay, see, likewise, suppose here the day number, here I'm indicating what the first day is indicating Monday, second day is indicating Tuesday. Likewise, based on the day number, the name of the week, okay, the name of the weekday will print. Okay, suppose here I am giving number 5. Okay, suppose here I am giving number 5. What is the output? Friday. Here what is the number 5 means what? Number 5 is Friday. That's why it's Friday. Likewise, the match statement will work like this. Okay, the match statement is work like this. This is the syntax. Okay, this is the syntax, and this is the practical code of execution. Likewise, you will take as months, years, based on the your requirement, you will prepare the code. Okay, I hope you understand this point. Next we will see the what is the second point. This is the first point we execute completed. Next, the what is the default value. Default value means, okay, default value means, see friends, here already how it works already. See, the match expression is evaluated once. I already show you clearly. And the value of expression is compared with the values. Okay, variable values is there, right? Already first case after we will use values. Okay, variable values. Next, if there is a match is associated with block executed. Already I told you, right? Suppose day one, Monday will printed, day two, Tuesday will printed, day three, Wednesday will printed. Likewise, the code executed. Next, what is asked? Okay, next combine values he mentioned. Okay, here see, next default value means, okay, default value means I will show you practically. See here, here default value means suppose here day 8 I given only in weekdays means 7 days are there. Suppose 8 day number 8 I given means at that time what is the output? There is no output for this. Why? Because the day here doesn't indicate with any number. Okay, day 8 is doesn't indicate with any number. That's why here you use one default case. Okay, here you use one default case, that is the that default here we are indicating with the hyphen. Okay, that default here indicating with the hyphen. In this block of code we will print no match. Okay, this block of code we will indicate no match. This is the code, friends. See, this is the day 8. Likewise, suppose here I am getting what is the output? No match. Suppose more than the weekday. Suppose the number of days in a week, how many are there? 7 days are there. More than seven number, you will mention any number, it will execute as no match. Okay. Suppose here I am giving 3, it will print. Okay. Suppose here I am giving 3, it will print Wednesday. Okay, likewise the block of code will be executed. Okay, up to here 2 points we completed. What is the first one? The first one is the Python match statement. The Python match statement is the block of code based on the cases. Okay, block of codes based on the cases. Suppose already we take one example as weekdays. Suppose the weekday will print based on the week day number. Okay, day number, that is the first statement. And already what is the syntax, and I explained you everything. Next point is the default value. Suppose there is no indication in the block of code. At that time it will print a default value. Suppose in code I mentioned day 8. Okay, day 8 doesn't indicate any weekday. At that time it will execute as a no match. Okay, that default we will mention with the hyphen value. Okay, that hyphen, the default means here that default we are indicating with the hyphen. The next one, combine values. Combine values means, see, this is a look like. Suppose I want to print like this. How I want to print? Suppose in software industry, we have 5 working days. Okay, 5 working days. Suppose day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 are working days, and day 6 and day 7 are holidays. Okay, based on this condition, we will write the code. Okay, now see here, friends. Suppose up to here, this default match I keep as it is. Here I am removing remaining all cases. Just here I am keeping only case 1 and case 2. Here instead of, here I want to mention multiple days in single case. Okay, multiple days in single case means here these multiple days I am indicating with R symbol. Okay, R symbol. Suppose day 1 R, day 2 R, day 3 R, day 4 R, day 5. Suppose these 5 days are there. These 5 days are working days. Okay. These 5 days are working days. Suppose in this any one day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In this any one day mentioned here as a input, at that time it will print as working days. Okay. Suppose remaining 6 and 7. Okay. 6 are, okay, 6 or 7. Okay, suppose 6 or 7 is there. These are the holidays. Okay, these are the holidays. Suppose more than 7 is there, at that time it doesn't match. Okay, this is no match. Okay, now see the output. Execute this. Working days, see here what I mentioned, this is the day 3. That's why working here printed working days. Suppose here I am mentioning 2. Okay, here I am mentioning 2. Now this is also working days. Suppose here I am mentioning 6. At that time here this is holidays. Okay, this is holidays. Suppose I am mentioning more than 7. Here I am mentioning 8. At that time it's no match. Okay, suppose here mentioning 45, it's no match. Okay, no match. Likewise it will execute. Okay, likewise it will execute. See friends, this program, okay, this program based on the week only. Okay, but in this program I want to include month also. Suppose I want to include month also. Suppose first month. Okay, first month it will execute January. Second month it will execute February. Likewise is there, but simply here I will mention month as variable. Month is one variable. Suppose day 1 is there. Okay, month one is there. Month one is indicate January. Month one is indicate January. Suppose the month names here I am indicating with numbers. Okay, likewise, see here. Suppose month 5. Okay, month 5. At that time, see here, if month is equal to 5. Okay, see month here is equal to 5. At that time, it will execute. Okay, it will execute. Suppose only in month 5. Okay, first 5 days are holidays. In month 5, first 5 days are holidays. Or here also, if month is equal to 1. Okay, here in first month, the first 6 and 7 days, the sixth day and seventh day are holidays. Here I given program like this. Okay, now see, no match here mentioned 45. Suppose here I am giving number 5. Okay, number 5 is working days. Okay, but in month, okay, here month 1. Suppose month 1, here month 1, nothing is there. That's why here month 5 is there. Suppose the month 5 is indicated. See the output here. Working days. Okay, working days. Here month 5 I mentioned. Okay, month 5. Here month 5 I mentioned. If month 5 is there at that time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are working days. Okay, 1, 2, 5 are there working days. Suppose here I am mentioning 6. Here also holidays will print. Why? Because month 1 also I mentioned clearly. No match. Okay, no match. See here, I will explain you clearly. Listen, friends. Suppose I want to execute. Okay, I want to execute. Month 5 is May. Okay, in particular month, here month I am giving 2. Okay, month I am giving 2. At that time, see the output. See, friends, this is the in match statement. Here we are using if condition. Okay, here how we are using if condition. That if condition will takes two variables. Okay, two or more variables. See here, suppose in first month, in January week, first 5 days in a week are working days. The remaining 2 days are holidays. Okay, at that time it will print. Okay, but here the month definitely match with the month number. Okay, the month definitely match with the month number. Rather than this remaining all conditions, it will print no match. Okay, we'll see practically. See here, month number I mentioned 1. Okay, month number I mentioned 1. At that time only it will print working days or holidays. Okay, see here I mentioned day 5. Day 5 is working days. That's why it will print working days. Okay, working days. Suppose here I am mentioning day 6. Day 6 is holiday. At that time it will print holidays. Okay, at that time it will print holidays. Now see, suppose here I am changing month number. Okay, here I changed the month number as to, at that time it will print no match. Okay, at that time it will print no match. Why? Because here day numbers matched, but month number not matched with the given condition. That's why it will print no match. Okay, likewise, We will likewise we are using match statement in Python. Okay, yeah, this is very useful concept, friends. Okay, I hope you understand. If you understand, please like this video, subscribe my channel. Okay, if you need any explanation on any topic, please mention in the comments. Okay, I will explain you clearly. Okay, thank you so much, friends. In next video we will discuss about while loop. Okay, and as well as before that we will do some few problems on match statement. Okay, thank you so much, friends.